here with my former dancers, my two dancers. Those days when we were dancing. This one was my dancer. This one was my dancer. This one was eyeing me. This one was eyeing me. Make the shape one time. This one became blind. So with this one will remain, I must use and see. So but at the end of time, I need to pay towards another place. So you can make sure Anya boy ereze since I took out my cash. If you hear me Jonya Casef, what can I make to my cousin whip I love you, my dear. Congratulations. So we met again after 15 years or thereabouts. I'm seeing her for the first time. So we're lovers then. All of us. I love her. She loves me. So we love ourselves. Them must. You miss who? So what's on those signals? I miss that. All right. So happy to go back. We have from. My sister. Hello, people.
Hello.
Hello. Can you see us? Can you see us? Comfort, oh.
Be serious.
In fact, our seriousness is bringing us to your doorpost very soon. Star Hot Entertainment, am I right?
Star Hot Promotions and Lollipop Entertainment.
Yeah, wow.
Brain.
Oh, on the 11th of June 2022, 11th of June, we are storming into London. You of London, where are UK?
UK there.
London. On the 11th of June, we want everybody to get his or her ticket. Don't miss this show. Not only also, so many other artists are coming from Nigeria and other countries.
Yes.
In fact, get your ticket. Chiefimocomedylatest, I got on there to make. In fact, in your nature, I get here. Bata ticket, bata ticket, bata ticket. I be a gahugo. I be a London gahugo.
Ora.
Kokoko.
Ora.
Kokoko. Oh yeah, we love you all. See you soon and be blessed. Hey, yeah.
On the sick, you can't we don't catch us.
Now this is the first time on our family. Oh, more than that come. Oh, yeah, go Jack. Okay, oh, mama, my daughter did the other day.
Thank God.
At home.
Yes, so we meal.
Indian rock.
No excuse.
Good on your name, the wedding.
And I don't want them more.
You name the wedding. Diapanashi. Otago me now.
I just remember what can meet.
Oh, no, me. The shimba will put with you. My dear, we get a guy. I don't know if you see him.
Immediately, you come in. It's cushion.
I think I give me why I throw much in a motor. What? Why are you knocking on my door? I dressed to kill you. Igbo from Guinea. My wife asked me, I see no dream. No, no, here again. Make you say, do I look? Each home. If they can on a gate, Madame, what would you already do? You want one yana or something?
Oh my God.
So I know I'm a Diva Bridal Shop. I'm a Diva Bridal Shop. Today, sorry, not one Imo. This is Lady Gold. Lady Gold and this idiot Mwaba. Lady Gold and Mwaba. We have something for you. I'm sure you are ready and you are expecting. So if really you are being interculturalized by what we do. Then get ready to get more interculated. Because this year we dress to kill. English is not ours. And I will not kill myself because of another person's language. So the way it comes to my mouth, the way I voice it out, because I am a voices for us.